1 of Module 4. In this session, we deal with gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution in thin spherical shell and solid sphere. Recap: Newton's laws of gravity in vector form, equation for universal gravitational constant, equation of acceleration due to gravity, definition for gravitational field, definition for gravitational potential, which all we have seen in the previous session. Learning objectives: to study gravitational potential, to study gravitational field, to study gravitational potential for spherical mass distributions for the thin spherical shell and session outcomes will be the student will be well versed with the basic concepts of gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution with respect to thin spherical shell, the point P outside the shell, point P inside the shell, point P on the surface of the shell. Likewise, gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution for solid sphere, the point P outside the sphere, point P inside the sphere, the point P on the surface of the sphere. Prerequisites: definition of gravitation, definition of gravitational potential, definition of gravitational field. Terms used: gravitational field, the region around the body in which its gravitational force is experienced. Gravitational potential, work done in moving a unit mass from infinity to any point in the gravitational field. Gravitation, it is the attractive force which exists between the particles. Gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution for thin spherical shell, considering the geometry. So with O as the center, with radius capital R, P is a point at a distance R, A is a point. So AP is the perpendicular drawn with respect to OP. So it's a uniform spherical shell of radius R and mass per unit area. Let P be a point at a distance R from its center O. Considering a thin slice in the form of a ring. So the distance of any point on the ring from P is D. Considering small element of mass delta m at P is given by minus G delta m by D. Potential at P due to the complete ring is given by P equals minus G by D into mass of the ring. Therefore, mass of the spherical ring equals 2 pi r sin theta into r d theta into rho, that equals 2 pi r square rho sin theta into d theta. Mass of the shell is nothing but surface area into mass per unit area, that is capital M equals 4 pi r square into rho. So potential at point P due to complete shell is given by the equation V equals minus G into M by 2 capital R into R, that into capital R plus R minus square root of R square plus R square minus 2R into R. So for the special cases, for case 1, that is point P outside the shell. So in this case, small r is greater than R. So therefore, root of R square plus R square minus 2R into R, that equals root of R minus R square equals R minus R. So the potential for the point P outside the shell is given by V equals minus G into capital M by R. So second case, point P inside the shell. Here the distance R is smaller than the radius of the sphere. So the equation square root of R square plus R square minus 2R into R equals root of small r minus R capital R whole square equals R minus R. So the potential of a point P inside the shell is given by the equation V equals minus Gm by R. So third case, point P on the surface of the shell. A point P on the surface of the shell may be taken as a point just outside the shell at a distance. So here small r equals R. In this case, square root of R square plus R square minus 2r into r equals 0. So the potential of a point P on the surface of the sphere is given by the equation V equals minus gm by capital R. So gravitational potential for a spherical mass distribution for solid sphere, considering a solid sphere of radius r and uniform density rho. So point P outside the sphere. So considering all this geometry, potential at P outside a single shell of mass m is given by minus g into m by r. Potential at point P due to complete sphere is given by capital V equals minus g into small m by r plus minus gm by r. Likewise, so V equals minus g by r into m1 plus m1 likewise. So finally, the summation of m leads to potential V equals minus g into capital M by r. Case to point P inside the sphere. So considering the diagram, mass of inner sphere is given by volume into density. So m dash 4 pi 3 pi r cube into rho. Potential at P due to thin spherical shell is given by minus g m dash dash by x. M dash dash equals 4 pi x square dx into rho. Potential at P due to entire outer spherical shell is given by minus 4 pi capital G into rho integral ranging from small r to capital R x dx. It leads to minus 4 pi G into rho r square minus r square. Total potential at P V equals minus G into capital M, that into 3 r square minus r square by 2 r cube. So similarly, for a point on the surface, so the value is r equals r. Therefore, the potential at P is given by V equals minus G into capital M by r. The summary of the session, we learn about meaning of the gravitational potential. Gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution for thin spherical shell, the point P outside the shell, point P inside the shell, point P on the surface of the shell. Gravitational potential for spherical mass distributions for solid sphere, the point P outside the sphere, point P inside the sphere, point P on the surface of the sphere. So MCQs for this particular session: give the expression for gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution for thin spherical shell for the point which is outside the shell. The options, so the right option is A, that is V equals minus gm by small r. The second MCQ, write down the expression for gravitational potential. So C is the right option, F equals minus G into capital M into M by r square. Third question, that is give the expression for gravitational potential for spherical mass distributions for thin spherical shell for the point which is inside the shell. The options, so the right one is option B, that is V equals minus G into capital M by r. Fourth one, give the expression for gravitational potential for spherical mass distribution for solid sphere for the point which is inside the sphere. A is the right answer. V equals minus capital G into capital M, that into 3 r square minus r square by 2 r cube. Fifth question, give the expression for gravitational potential for a spherical mass distribution of a solid sphere for the point which is on the surface. So the right option is V equals minus gm by r. Thank you.